Free the dumb, freedom, free the dumb, so that they can speak, yeah. This is Nature Ellis, I say, yo, make sure to tune in to her. You don't know, say, yo, Aromatic Realistic TV. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Nature Ellis, I said that. Do it to the cause of the most that.
Reality check, brother, from a year device, you know, it's the Aromatic Realistic TV, you know. We're not TV for wasting time, you know. We just there to go and hold it on a wall of meds. And say a whole heap of youth in Jamaica get tricked by Anju wellness. Yeah, man, a whole heap of youth believe in him, you know. And you can't even blame yourself, say, boy, the youth them a fool and all of that. No, the youth them are no fool. The youth them see Anju wellness at the time. They understand, they bring a new and renew energy upon them. Knowing that Anju wellness is a youth, but also where they come from the poor. Him wife also they come from the poor, and nobody them were well off. So as a human to another human, you would expect that Anju wellness upbringing, and when he reach you now, he would have look out for the small man. Because a lot of youth, you know, they suffer, you know, under the political thing, you know, decades after decades. So when him come now and I say the things what the people them want to hear, the people them say, yes, we get somebody who actually go take we out of the situation what we in right now. But it turned out to be that the man is a deceiver, brother. The man fake, brother. So don't blame yourself. Don't blame yourself for the choice why you make for vote for him. Because I saw things set, brother. Enough time we believe in some people and them let you down. You believe in your woman where you am share pillar every night and then let you down. You believe in your boyfriend where you am share pillar every night and then let you down. You want a pitney why you give life sometime let you down. So such is life, brother. You understand? Such is life. You just see the man and you see the man for change. And him talk up the things them and play upon the people's emotion. But the people never know that. The people see him as the changes that the political culture want. Because as I said, he have all the words. So the people finally believe in him. And so them go have some relief here now. And he did not turn up for the people. So the people disappointed in your Anju wellness. Anju wellness, a lot of people disappointed in you because the people them believe in you. And give you them trust. And come vote for your brother. And you turn your back on the people them. You see what I mean? You turn your back on the people them. As I said before, the people them see you as a changes. As a young and renewed politician, they come in at the thing. But I play upon the people them emotion. I play upon the people them emotion. Brother, remember, you're poor like the regular Jamaican them in your upbringing. Your wife poor like the regular Jamaican them in your upbringing, brother. And you reach a stage in life now, brother, where you value almost must say 200 million. And the normal Jamaican down there, so right now, brother, after they live off a minimum wage. Some of them not even get minimum wage. Because most Jamaican right now, there's a statistic come out say 2 million Jamaican is not having a nutrition meal.